with this lockdown because of the coronavirus. I know we're all very restricted on what we can do and the journeys we can take, but if, like me, you've got classic cars, then it is still possible to run them. It's really important to keep the wheels turning on them now and then. It's a good idea to use them if you can. It's really strange for everybody at the moment with this social distancing that we're having to practice. Now, all the classic car shows, we know they're not going to happen this year. We might as well forget about that. Now, what I want to try and show you is it's important that you use your classic cars when you can, so long as you keep within the government guidelines. So today I'm going to go home in my 1973 Chevy Chevelle. Now, luckily I do keep that at work. I'm able to store it there, so I'm going to and from work. I can't work from home with my job, so at the moment well within the current guidelines. Now, only do this if you can stay within the guidelines, and also make sure that your car is reliable. This is a really reliable car. I have had to charge the battery up, but other than that, I know that I'm going to make a safe journey to and from work, and at least I can enjoy my car a little bit, maybe not as much as I'd like, and I'm keeping it moving, keeping the wheels turning. That way it's not going to deteriorate from just being sat. So let's get on with going home. This Chevelle a couple of years ago from a guy that I've imported a few vehicles from, a guy named Kyle who's in San Diego, or near San Diego, California, and it's just been a fantastic vehicle to own. I've not done anything to restore it other than it's had a service. We have had to replace a exhaust gasket, manifold gasket. Other than that, as it left the States, other than changing the headlights, of course, we used UK spec, and it just works brilliantly. It's beautiful. Got disc brakes, got lovely power steering that is so light you can turn the wheel with one finger. going to be doing it up. It's going to have a chassis off or a frame off restoration if you're American, and rear quarter panels that are a little bit rotten, they're going to be replaced, and then it's going to get a colour change. We're going to upgrade the engine slightly just to give it a bit more pep, and just going to enjoy it for many years to come. It's not a vehicle that I'm intending to ever get rid of. This is a far more pleasurable journey now. What do I like about this car? It's comfortable, it's very smooth to drive, it sounds great with that V8 verbal. It just puts a smile on your face every time you use it. Coming up, that isn't the best bit of parking I've ever seen. So if possible, enjoy your classic car on the journeys that you are allowed and should be doing. So that's only if you're going to the shops to buy some groceries, going to get yourself some medication, or going to work if you're not able to work from home. Let's all keep safe. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the ride along in my Chevelle, and I hope it inspires some of you to actually turn the key on cars that you're able to get to, and make a couple of those essential journeys at the moment using your classic car just to keep it on the road and keep it all working properly. We can grab a little bit of enjoyment from just being able to use them in an everyday situation. And here we go, home. Looks like my girls have been drawing some pictures.